Okay, so I come from a family of huge board game people, which means that we're always looking for the next new board game table that's reasonably priced, sized, and quality. We recently found this after a frantic search on Amazon, and more or less, we love the table. It's got these fun little feet down here that makes it lots of room, so we can fit 6 people at the table. And the only complaint I had is that when I was looking at it online, this seam wasn't quite as noticeable as it is in real life. Otherwise, put a little bit of pizzazz on it, and it is glorious.